Welcome to this 3-bedroom cluster for sale in New Redruth, Alberton, South Africa for R1,800,000. New development, 6 clusters. Turtles Rest. By directly formed developer. No transfer duties. Safe and secure electric fence and remote gate. Low maintenance face brick clusters. The building size is 165 square meters. 3 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms. Kitchen with scullery and double garage. Limited choices with regards to color schemes. 2 slightly larger stands available at R1,825,000. NHBRC registered development. Occupation form July 2016. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.